Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 9 Mitchell Court here in Gracemere. This family home has got lots of space and it's got one of the largest patios I've seen for a long time. Let's take a quick tour, take a look. Every home needs a control hub, and this kitchen in the centre of 9 Mitchell Court is a perfect space for just doing that. Outside I can see the kids playing on the patio, and inside I can have a good conversation with people while I'm cooking the family meal. Well, there you have it, 9 Mitchell Court here in Gracemere, a super family home. If the team at McGrath can help you own this wonderful property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.